Hello, good day everyone. This is Tevz. Welcome back to this channel. The next repair is a 55-inch Philips Smart LED TV, model 55PUT6102/71. It's not turning on, and no standby light indicator. I will show you how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. The TV is not turning on, so let's start testing the main fuse of the power board in continuity mode. The multimeter beeps, which means the fuse has continuity, and it is good. Let's switch the multimeter to DC mode and measure the main capacitor to see if it has a charge. It has a charge of about 82 volts, which means we don't have any short circuit across the main capacitor, and we hope no MOSFET is shorted. Now let's hook the negative probe to the chassis of the TV and measure voltages at the secondary area. We can measure the voltages at the cathode of this diode or at the positive terminal of this capacitor. The TV is plugged into the AC now. No voltage was measured. Let's switch the multimeter to continuity mode to check any short circuits. The cathode of the diode is beeping, and also the drain of the MOSFET. And the positive terminal of the capacitors is beeping. It seems we have a short circuit across the MOSFET and to the capacitor. Still have a short circuit even though it was disconnected from the main board. So the power board has a short circuit. So let's remove the power board and find the shorted component.
Ensure that the main capacitor is discharged to minimize the risk of electrocution. Only 5 volts left. Now it's safe to examine the power board. This is the diode, and this is the MOSFET. The source and the drain are connected in parallel to the anode and cathode of the diode. Because they are in parallel, we don't know which is the shorted one, so let's unhang the drain of the MOSFET first.
Now the drain of the MOSFET is desoldered or disconnected from the diode. But the diode is still shorted, and the MOSFET is not shorted. The diode may be shorted. Let's desolder the diode. We are not sure yet that the diode is the shorted one. There is still a capacitor that may be the shorted one. So let's hang only the anode of the diode. Yes, it's the diode that's shorted. The diode is easier to replace than the MOSFET, so it's good that the diode is only the shorted one. Let's grab this diode. A reuse component is a way to minimize labor costs. Many customers struggle with high costs, so I recycle components from TV circuit boards. The part number is SR520. The original is SR510. This chart shows the maximum reverse voltage. The SR510 is 100 volts, while the SR520 is 200 volts. So the SR520 is better. So let's solder the SR520 diode in place. Solder back the drain of the MOSFET. Now, the diode is soldered in place. Let's test if there is a voltage output. We can measure the voltage at the cathode of the diode. The heatsink is negative, so let's hook the negative test probe to the heatsink. We have a voltage now of 12.2 volts. The power board is okay now. Let's place the power board back and see if the TV will power on. The TV turns on without pushing the power button. It means the TV is in use when the diode gets shorted. The TV seems to be working now.
A few moments later.
The TV is now working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can support this channel by liking and subscribing. Click the notification bell to stay updated. Once again, this is Tez. See you again next time. Bye for now.